In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip file in Gmail. First, let's create a zip file on Windows so your attachment is smaller and easier to send. Open File Explorer and navigate to the file or folder you want to share. You can select a single file, multiple files, or an entire folder. Once you've highlighted what you need, right-click your selection, hover over Send To, and choose Compressed, Zipped Folder. Windows will instantly create a new zip in the same location. It may ask for a name, or you can click the default name and rename it to something clear and descriptive. If you're zipping multiple items, make sure you've selected them all before you right-click. A quick tip: some files like videos or already compressed images may not shrink much, while documents and folders with many small files usually compress well. You can check the zip size by looking at its properties to ensure it's reasonable for email. Now let's attach that zip in Gmail. Open your browser and go to gmail.com, then sign in if prompted. Click Compose to start a new message. In the new message window, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. This opens your file picker. Navigate to the zip you just created, select it, and click Open. You'll see the file begin uploading at the bottom of the Compose window. Let it finish before you send. If your zip is 25 megabytes or smaller, it will attach directly. If it's larger, Gmail will automatically switch to sharing it as a Google Drive link, which is normal and helps the recipient download it without hitting the size limit. Finish your email by adding the recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and a brief message that explains what you're sending. This context helps the recipient know what to expect and can make the download process smoother. When everything looks good and the attachment has fully uploaded, click Send. A couple of important notes to keep in mind. Gmail allows attachments up to 25 megabytes. Anything bigger will use a Google Drive link automatically. Also, some zip files may be blocked for security reasons, especially if they contain certain executable content. If that happens, remove the blocked items from the zip or share the folder via Google Drive instead. And that's it. Your file is now compressed, easier to send, and faster to upload and download, making your Gmail attachments more reliable and efficient.